Howdy y'all, it's Reggie GrubbZ here today, and we're gonna be going over a couple little things. We got a couple packages here today, and we're gonna show you how to put this Gator Guard on your kayak to protect the bottom of it, because that's what we got here. But we also got another package here. I do believe it's from those boys and girls over Monsterbass. So go ahead and open that up and show you what we got in here. Nice little unboxing. Oh my. Oh, these are real nice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I've been using to catch the striped bass there at night time. These are Z-Man Lastex. These are the minnows. MINNOWZ, just like we are here at Fishing Grubs with the Z in there, because we're Z-Mans, right? All right, y'all. Let's open this up. I'm gonna show you about how these things look. I'm gonna show you how these look, all right? Now, these little son bitches are real strong, okay? Now, we catch many striped bass on just one. That's every time I go out, unless I get caught up on something. We only have to use one. These things are fucking crazy. Now look at that. They just, boom, every time they just go right back. Now, these striped bass, they come in, they munch these bitches up. They get them all mangled up on the hook. But boy, I tell you what, they don't mess up the bait itself. They just kind of like move it back off the hook. Sometimes a real pain in the bitch to get back on there. But most of our plastics, they be done after 1 or 2 striped bass, because them bitches are real strong. And boy, I tell you, these minnows are real nice. Real nice. So that's why we ordered this from the Monsterbass site. Y'all can go over there and get some of these if you want. They're still on the Monsterbass site. Get them in that smelt color. Now, I've been just throwing the white, but these are gonna be real nice at night time. You're gonna like this one. It's real nice for them. Now, with the COVID and shit going on, we got, this is what we really got. We went ahead and got 3 new face shields, because Mr. Grubb been working on a fishing boat, so he has to use these damn things every day, these son of the bitches. Oh my, that's nice. Look at that, folks. Monsterbass. That's real nice. I like the colors now. It really make my eyes pop. These guys are all up there still on the Monsterbass side. Y'all can go and purchase any of these face shields that you like. That one's nice. That's real nice. Why? Monsterbass. That's nice. That's 1, 2. Oh, and that's the 3rd face shield we got there. Somebody else clean that up later. That's nice. Just black. That's good for night fishing. Then the fish don't know I'm there. Oh boy, that's nice to have more masks for this coat. Now we got one more item from Monsterbass, and it's time to get into this Gator Guard. And then we're gonna go outside. We're gonna show you how to slap it on the old kayak. Let's do it. Come along with it. Now, until the Monsterbass come up with that real nice Steal Your Bass logo t-shirt, I think this might be one of my favorite t-shirts right there. That's nice, isn't it? That's real nice. They took the Patagonia logo and they made that Monsterbass one real nice like that. That's real nice. Y'all, I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, this one. Let's go ahead and change into this shirt here and see how comfy it is. Monsterbass. That's nice. Alright, let's open this Gator Guard package here for us, folks. Got that picture of the gator on there. It's real nice. y'all. That's nice. Real nice. That's the Gator Patch, folks. Now this combined with what we've already done to the kayak. We got a hole in the kayak. We fixed that hole with Flex Seal. Now this is gonna go over what we fixed, and this is gonna reinforce it and make it real nice. This is a 3x18 strip. They have many different sizes, but this one's made for kayaks. It's paintable, you can cut to size, waterproof, UV cure fiberglass reinforced polyester patch. Wow, it's nice. It's industrial strength, it's self-adherent. And that there's the Gator Guard. Prep, peel, stick. Now we're gonna read on how to prep it, and then we're gonna go on out there, and we're gonna watch the video, and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna try and slap this on the old kayak. Y'all come along with us, alright? Let's do it. Now, you should sand clean dry. Make sure it's free of any contaminants. Then you're gonna cut your gator size into any size without exposing it to the UV or the sunlight. You don't want it to expose to the UV or the sunlight. Once you get this sumbitch on there, you slap it on there, and it's gonna take 1 hour on a cloudy day, and maybe 6 minutes on a bright sunny day for this sumbitch to cure. And that's nice. That's real nice. It bonds any surface, including fiberglass, gel coat, all metals, even rusted plastics, rubbers, concrete, drywall, glass, polyurethane, polyethylene, wood, and ceramics. Not on use for propylene. We have no idea what the fuck that means. When you need additional strength, you can put up to 5 patches. Now these patches are about $60 a piece. That's an expensive patch. Now we aren't sponsored by these motherfuckers. Now we just bought this ourselves because we want to slap this on the kayak and see how it did. Hopefully this Gator Patch holds. Hopefully we can go ahead and drag that sumbitch around like we used to and not have to worry about leaks or anything like that. I know a lot of y'all were very worried about my kayak. A lot of y'all messaged me. Now you know after I put that Flex Seal on, I have not taken that kayak out. But I'm going to slap this sumbitch on there. And we're gonna take it out for a test run, maybe in the next 2 days. Cause we gotta go out, we gotta film, we gotta make some more videos for y'all. We're trying to upload every day now. Every day of the week, that is. Alright y'all, let's go out there. We're gonna clean that yak up, and then we're gonna slap this sumbitch on there, see how it do. Alright, come along. There she is, folks. Let's go ahead and open this sumbitch up. I'm gonna wipe down the kayak real quick, give it a last little clean poop. Wipe that bitch down. Now we don't have too much sunlight left today, folks, and it's gonna rain tomorrow, but it's still gonna work real nice. So what we did, y'all, is we took this white tape off, we put this sumbitch right on there, just like so. Now we're gonna peel this transparent part right off, expose it to the light. We're gonna let that sumbitch cure. Our small hole is right there. That's all we need, folks. That's all we need. Looking good. Now we gotta let this sumbitch harden right out. Hope it hardens overnight, even without that sun being up. But it's gonna be up at 6 in the morning, and it's gonna be cloudy until it rains. So we're gonna come down here tomorrow morning. We're gonna take a look at it. Hopefully it's nice and hard. We'll see. All right, y'all. So if y'all have any problems with your kayaks and you got a hole in it, there's a couple of options you have. But to me, not being a handy old handyman, Mr. Reginald over here, I decided to go with something that's real quick and real easy and has some really good reviews, and that's this Gator Guard. Now, they have many products and y'all can check them all out. There's Keel shields, Gator skins, you got the Gator patch, you got the bow shield, you got the skeg shield, and you got the Keel shield. There's so much shit you can get for your boat, your kayak, anything really. Anything that you might want waterproofed or patched up. Other options, you could go get a plastic welder and you could weld it with plastic, or you could do the old regular Flex Seal, and that's what I did to start. But I was planning on getting the Gator Guard. After I released the Flex Seal video, I had lots of comments about how that's not gonna last, and everybody's worried about me because they don't want me sinking in the cold water. But guess what, y'all? I can swim real nice, even if I did sink in the cold water. But just to get my mind right and everybody else's mind right, I go ahead and get that Gator Patch. Now, y'all can look up other review videos on the Gator Patch, and I'm telling you right now, that Gator Patch look real nice on that kayak. And when I'm done, I can get some more Flex Seal. It's all black, and I can paint it with that black Flex Seal. So it's not just gonna be painted, but that Gator Guard is gonna be Flex Seal right on there and be black and match everything with the kayak, because my kayak's black and green. Or I could just get some spray paint and go ahead and spray paint that sumbitch too. But y'all can also sand it down, make it look nice and smooth after. Anyways, y'all, dinner's here. So if y'all want to check out Gator Guard, I'm gonna leave their website link down below. Y'all can check it out. And big thanks to Monsterbassco for all the face shields and shirts and all of the nice lures y'all send me all the time in the mailbox. If y'all had fun today, why don't you do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications, and you'll be notified whenever we drop one of these bangers for y'all. This is Reggie GrubbZ signing out. Peace out.
Don't finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said.